We got Ashley, Mika, and Becky. Three classy women, but they mouth so reckless, mouth so reckless, mouth so reckless, but they mouth so reckless, mouth so reckless, mouth so reckless.
Doesn't not Pluto.
Fucking reckless, okay? This is when you get ratchets, okay?
Okay, let's get started.
Shaking the table.
Shaking the table.
Oh, what was that from?
I done shook
Oh,
the
this-
table.
this-
Y'all
that's
shaking the table.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Who's Michelle?
Michelle. K.
Oh yeah.
Bitch, you
You're
shaking the table.
You don't shake unless you want to get shook back.
That bitch
That
ain't
part.
fight. She cannot fight.
Oh.
Come on, y'all want to cheers to our first episode?
Cheers. First episode, Mouth So Reckless.
Yes.
Ow.
Ow. You have to sip too.
Oh, shit. All right.
Okay, let me catch my breath a little bit.
Yeah, please.
Please.
Okay.
We just don't know.
We do know, so just let's go.
You
Just
don't
go
know
check.
Go
Just
check.
go
Yeah,
check.
just
Make
make sure.
sure it's
Because we will be pissed off.
Is it?
Oh yeah, that's
It's recording?
so cute.
Do you see the time going on the top?
A minute and 3 seconds, 4, 5,
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
7.
I just was like, because I pressed it.
And
but
y'all look really good. The skin is really nice.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay.
All right. You ready?
We're back. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Hi guys, welcome to our first episode of Mouth So Reckless. Mouth So Motherfucking Reckless.
Reckless. Y'all know what it is.
You got three beautiful black women, three different opinions.
Taste the rainbow.
I'm the smart one.
I'm the fine one.
I guess I'm the ratchet one.
And
All right.
Okay.
I'm Ashley. To the left
Man.
is Samika, and
It's
to my right
Samika.
is Rebecca, aka
Becky with-
Becky.
With the good hair.
Yeah, that's true.
Y'all heard about that hoe. Carrying
Top
on.
dollar hoe though. Okay. but
Okay, blue strips.
I need a drink.
anyways.
Well, these been my bitches. We've been rocking since how long, girls? Like
We
94.
don't want to tell our age.
I mean, since
Since
94.
before we
So you
liked
know,
each
these
other.
we A1s,
I know
day
that's a long
ones,
time.
besties.
Oh,
You know,
10 years plus.
That's what you
10
put,
years.
That's what you put on the application so
Right.
they don't know your age.
Right, 10 years
10
plus.
years,
10
bitch.
years.
We're
I said
25 years
plus.
plus, almost
Okay.
30. We gonna keep it real.
Almost-
We look good, but it's
Okay, yeah, you're
almost
right.
30 years.
Okay.
Okay,
It really is. Okay.
79, 80, and 81.
Oh,
Yes, I'm
in
the
that
baby
order.
of the bunch.
Mhm.
Ow.
okay.
In that order.
And the boss. Just know that.
She thinks she is, y'all. She
Bossy
really
as
do.
hell.
I've been getting bossed all around before we
Oh
started.
my God, I'm sweating. I've
So
been
I'm a little bit
bossing
out
around
of
so
breath
much.
and winded because I was a little bit scared.
I'm over here glistening like they done did me in grease and shit. This shit is crazy.
All right, guys. Well, today we're gonna talk about black hate. Yeah, black hate.
And
Black
what,
on
and
black
what
hate.
respect?
Black
I
on
was
And
Tell
so
telling
we're gonna
about-
talk about. Well, you didn't let me get it out. Can I?
Okay,
Can
you
I?
was
Can
looking
I at least-
around like for validation.
Can I at
can't
least try to get
validate
it
that
out?
now.
Okay, so basically we have so much
Can we turn
police brutality.
I'm
We got the
sweating.
Black
I
Lives
don't know.
Matter, but in all reality, it starts here. We got more hate in the black community amongst each other than outside of our own community. So that's
Facts.
what we're gonna talk about.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you say that, are we
Agreed.
talking? Because y'all know I like clarification. I'm that one. So are we talking about hating on each other's businesses, hating on each other's appearances,
Well, it's
hating
all
on
of
each
that.
other's lifestyles?
It's a
hating,
little
or
bit
are
of
we
all
talking
that. So
about
this is
the
what-
crime?
It's a little bit of all of that. So that's what we're gonna
Okay.
talk about. So like
Okay.
first, let's
But
talk
can we-
about.
Pause.
Yeah,
Can we turn
we
the air
can't.
on?
We can't.
So y'all just gonna let
We
me
can't.
start
She's
dripping
right.
sweat?
Can't.
So we gonna get greasy?
The sound gonna fuck
Oh,
up the shit.
sorry, guys.
Oh,
We gonna
my
sweat.
God.
Okay.
Well, I'm about to put this up in a bun. then,
No,
'cause
please don't make it. Please don't.
Don't play too much.
Becky!
I'm the ratchet one and I
Oh,
can't take. Okay, okay, I'm
God.
done. Okay. If I start sweating, don't judge me. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm getting like my joint already. We just now
Now
getting
I'm so
started,
reckless.
and I was
As you
gonna
see, we
wait to the
keeping it
middle.
all the way raw because this
Yeah.
is like what's happening.
This is real life. I mean, take
Okay,
it.
so
And
let's
this
get
is-
started. So how do you feel? Like this is
Well,
Your
like I said, I want
topic,
to touch.
your
I want to touch on a
hosting.
few different things. So the first thing I want to touch on is the fact that yes, the crime. We want to touch
Okay.
on the crime because, as my brother says, you know, we march and protest for when the police kill the black people, but we got niggas in the hood killing each other every fucking day, and ain't nobody protesting.
Right.
You know,
That
so
is facts.
like we could go to the club and a nigga get into it with another nigga just because he stepped on his shoe and then say sorry, and the next thing you know, the niggas getting killed outside.
Right.
So that's what I want to talk about. How do y'all feel about that?
Oh my God.
Agreed. You know, I just feel like it is very true, and I just feel like the hate is an overall hate in general. You know, not only businesses, somebody's looks, how successful a person is, but just in general.
Yeah, but I want
Like-
to talk about right now about the people in the club and,
Oh,
and the
yes,
niggas.
yeah, because I
you
feel like it
know-
starts, they don't have respect. Obviously, how you gonna step on somebody's shoes? It basically goes back to treat others how you want to be treated. So if you stepped on their shoes, how hard is it for you to apologize? That could squash the whole beef. It won't even be no beef if you be like, oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Or even
But
yeah,
can't even do
sometimes
that.
somebody will apologize and they'll
and it's
so
still
I feel like, because I'm the smartest one.
I have a
Oh,
I feel like this stems all the way back from within. This has to do with us having self-hate and not having respect for life.
right.
Once we start having a better respect for life and a better value of life, not just other people's but our own, because it starts with us, there's not going to be no respect. This goes beyond the club. That's just
that was
one
just
part
an
of many
example.
things
Oh no, I have a lot to talk
that
about.
go way deeper than that. So it's like, if I don't respect life, if I don't have respect for life or respect for those your loved ones or anybody else, and respect for you as my brother or sister, of course I'm gonna act in that way because I just don't care, and that has to do with my self-hate and my self-love.
Or self,
That is a
lack of
general statement
self-respect
because I
as
love
well.
myself. Let me just say that.
Yeah, but we have these young kids who just don't even have a conscience. They don't even care. They just don't even care. Like for instance, we was at Scandia at my nephew's birthday party. It's all kids. Scandia is full of kids. It's a family place. And
Tell them where it is so they know where we at.
well, this
You know
particular
what it is,
Scandia,
so
the
they
one
can
that we
Google
were
it.
at, we were
Southern
in
California,
Victorville.
in
We
the
were in
Empire.
Victorville for that one. We went up the hill for that one.
Uh-huh.
And my nephew, he's just a typical young black man, and he's there with his kids, and it's another nigga and his family. They come through, but the dude comes through. We got, like I said, a family place. He got his rag tied up
Wow.
on his neck, whatever. Him and his kids and his wife, and we coming through the door. Him and his family is coming out the door, and my nephew opened the door, let everybody come through.
Mm-hmm.
And his wife or girl, wherever she was, she said thank you. The rest of the family said thank you. The other nigga walked out like,
Wow. Just
Walked
inappropriate for the
out.
whole environment.
he
right?
didn't say
Okay.
thank you. He walked off like he was all that. My nephew turned around and said, "You welcome."
Ooh,
And
look
from
at
right
that
there, he turned back around and was like, "Nigga, I got you. You're welcome." And then from there, it was just a whole big ordeal. And it took, my nephew, he was like, I'm here with my kids. I'm not about to do that, But if he wasn't there with his kids, what would have happened?
Right.
You
But-
see what I'm saying? And so that's what I mean. We got to do better as black people.
Right.
As
we gotta
young
do
black
better,
men,
but I'm the one that's gonna speak
But it's
on
a
it.
lack of
I-
respect.
sometimes- let me say this.
Treat
So
others the way you want to be
let me
treated.
say this,
It's
though.
simple.
Sometimes though, you don't know what that person is going through, what that person just went through, or what kind of mood that person is in.
True.
So when holding a door open, we have to have a little humility on our own to always not do things expecting something
Correct.
in return. So I understand that he should have got to thank you. I'm not saying that he should have.
Correct.
But at the same time, if your nephew is holding the door open and letting people come through, why does he have to expect that? Why
because
is
it's
that the
common courtesy.
expectation?
It's common courtesy.
But it doesn't have to be.
it's common courtesy.
It doesn't have to be.
It should be.
Common
That's-
courtesy.
but it
Common
should be.
courtesy is a bonus. If somebody says thank you or you're welcome or whatever, that's a bonus
But you
to
said-
me doing what I'm supposed to do.
Right, but you just said like he could have been having a bad day. Who knows what kind of day my nephew was having? Who
So-
knows?
But if he was that focused on his bad day, he would have just let it slide.
He let
Like
it slide.
to me,
But
I
he
feel
let it
like
slide. He let it
that's
slide.
minor. I feel like it's
But
not.
that's
that-
my point.
Now, if he bumped
That is
into your
my
nephew
point.
on the way
But
out the
see,
door,
that's my
okay.
point. That is
But
my
he just
point
walked
about it
straight
being
through.
minor. It's minor shit.
All I'm saying is we could call it on either end. Your nephew did not have to say
Exactly. He didn't.
anything.
He didn't.
And,
And
the
I
dude walking
agree.
through did not have to say anything
But
either.
that is my point.
But
It's
what-
something that small that could have turned into something
Right.
so big.
And that's crazy.
And that is the point I'm making.
Right. But let me say this. Why can't it be something, since it's that simple, treat others the way you want to be treated? If people would take that into consideration, so many things won't even become big issues.
Maybe if you
if
smoke a
you
little bit more
treat
weed,
people the way you
you
want to
feel
be
a
No.
little
treated.
bit more better.
You don't have to
Like,
smoke no weed.
You feel a little bit more better.
You
Your
need
nerves
you
a
need
little
to
bit
you
more
need to
calm.
pass the test. I'm your girl. You don't have to
Well,
smoke
if your
weed.
mama would slap the shit out your bad ass when you was little and taught you some manners and respect,
Yeah,
then maybe
even
you
that-
wouldn't be
even
doing
that-
that shit as a grown up. Okay?
I can have
That still
all the
don't matter.
manners in the world, and if I'm going through something, I might not even be paying attention to who's holding the door.
Oh, but you know what? The
That's what
difference
I'm saying.
was-
Like, is that
Okay,
the
the
difference
well,
was, I'm
no.
gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
It was a nigga. His attitude attitude. You could tell by the way he walked out and looked at my nephew. He
You
did
know
it on
what?
purpose. He
Right.
did it intentionally.
Because I go.
And my nephew is with the shit too, but he let it go. But like I said, it could have been real bad.
Can we just clarify the nephew is it Aaron?
I don't want to clarify the nephew.
Oh, okay.
Are we putting names on the podcast?
I mean, I don't know.
We
I'm
don't
just
have no
saying.
waivers. We can't mention no names.
Okay, then.
We
no,
use that name just to
okay,
give a
well,
name to
my
the
bad.
subject.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We're gonna
y'all.
use that just to
I'm
give the
sorry,
subject a
nephew.
name.
Not even just that, guys. We could go ahead and move on to something else. Even what about the black men talking about how they don't
I
like
need to like this
the black women
Taking my breath away.
because the black women got bad attitudes. But then they go out and get a Mexican bitch,
Black
or they
women-
go
some
get
black
they,
women do
they,
have bad
because
attitudes.
listen, they go and get a Mexican bitch, a fucking crazy ass white bitch with the same fucking attitude.
What about
and
the black women that go get Mexican
You
men?
done made
And
me drop my
that's
breath
both
for that. Hold on.
ways. That's both. I don't got a Mexican nigga. I got my nigga's shit is black.
Hold
Okay?
on. Now
Shit.
we get into the meat of it.
My
Okay,
nigga
we
is
get to a part
black,
of the
okay?
issue.
I mean,
This
I
birth
think
certificate-
that everything is based off experience and situation. Let me put on my. This is a teaching moment. I'm gonna throw on my glasses.
don't need to
guys.
teach me
This is a
shit.
teaching
I don't
moment.
feel. I
You can
disagree
take
This is
your
a teaching
glasses off.
So
I disagree,
basically,
but okay,
so basically,
I'll have my turn.
what I mean by that is our experiences shape us. Our experiences and our interactions with people define what we
Oh.
believe to be true.
She went to sociology.
That's how we
101.
come to our opinions. That's what it is. So my experiences with a certain class of people and group of people may not be her experiences or her experiences.
Right.
That
So
ain't
we're
what
all
the
going to
subject
have
about.
a different opinion on what we believe when we think about black men that say black women are mean and have attitudes
That
and
they
things
don't
like
date
that.
black women.
A
but that
lot
is
of those
form
men-
hate
That
against
is
a lot
your-
of those
it's
men-
disrespect.
A
It's
lot
a
of
form
those
hate
men-
against your
Right,
own
it is.
race.
But it's a
Regardless
form
of whatever the
self-hate.
reason, a lot of those men have
Right.
had a lot of bad experiences in high school and
Oh.
college. I have witnessed it with black women to where they would not even look at them, to where in order for them to get interaction or get companionship with the female, they only receive that from a person of another race. And that is a fact.
Okay, well let me
Carry
talk.
on.
Because you said
So-
they had a bad experience. Hold on, boo.
Go
They
ahead.
had a several
Several.
bad experience with the black woman. Okay, well can we talk about the black women who had several bad experiences
With
with
the black
men?
niggas.
I got
This
two.
is a problem I have with
Deadbeat.
women.
Hold on, pause. I got two.
See, but we not
deadbeat
talking about
baby daddies. So I ain't gave up on the black men.
right.
So you get what I'm saying?
And by
No.
you putting that out there,
I'm
it's
just
making us
saying.
look bad. It's making us look bad as black women by the black men talking about us like that.
I
Talking
just
about
feel
our
like
attitude is this. The
they
black
want
women
the
don't do
easy
this.
way out.
Right.
Period.
But by y'all
we
putting that
the-
in the atmosphere like that, it makes us look bad. You can have your own preference.
I think that you can have your
You can have
opinion
your own
over
preference
over
But you don't discriminate against your own.
It-
people.
that's my
That's what I
point.
have a problem
That's
with.
my point.
start applying it to some. You don't have to apply it to all.
That's what
They
that's
can
my
apply it to
point.
some. They don't have to apply it to all. But they don't have to date black women.
They don't
either.
have to, but why
But
are you
you-
saying that
Yeah,
until
but then-
you don't? I
right.
don't date black women because all
Right.
black women ain't
Because
the
that's
same.
their opinion. That's
But
not a
that's not
fact.
the
But
same.
your
when they
mother,
talk
their
about
mom
that-
is a black woman. So
How
how
do
do
you
you think
not
your
every
mother?
black man has a black mom?
Okay, well,
First of all, second
okay,
of
they
all-
granny is black. Excuse me. Okay, let me rephrase that statement.
I can't
Maybe
get
their
onto
mom
that.
isn't black, but they have a black grandmother, auntie,
Somewhere.
great grandma. It's somewhere down the line. How do you think that makes them feel?
How do you don't know if they were
Or
respected
even-
by the black
or
women in their
even
lives.
the-
But that
even-
doesn't matter. So
more black,
Let's see
a
how
lot of
we
black men,
argue.
not all, a lot of
Ooh,
black men
child.
who have issues with black women stems from women that they dealt with in their family. A lot of them. It doesn't always start
That
with
is
the way
true.
they're treated
So
in school.
that is
So we
true.
can't just say you got a black mama. They black mama
Okay,
might
I
not
got
be
issues
shit.
with my black daddy. I don't talk to him.
That is
I
But
do
you're a
not
different person.
discriminate against black men.
You're a
okay?
different person.
So
We have to-
I would
we have
never
to
bash
stop
a
it.
black man as a whole, as a
That
class
is
of
my
people.
point.
That's fine, but
That
we
is
have
my
to
point.
stop expecting people to respond to situations as we do. Everybody
No,
is an
that's not
individual.
what I expect.
Everybody is allowed to respond and have their opinion and
right.
make
That's why
whatever
we
decision
having this
that they want to
podcast that
make.
we have right here, so we
But
can all voice
As
our
far as
opinion.
black
So-
hate
Because
goes,
that is right.
that
We
just
are entitled,
perpetuates
but-
the cycle of the hate, and that's what we're trying to stop. Like,
Right.
how can you fix that? How can you rectify that? How can you bring healing to a collective group? Which is
Because
the
even
black
the
people
light
that
skin,
we're
dark
talking
skin
about.
thing, you
But-
know what I'm saying? You got the light skin, dark skin thing. like,
Colorism.
Right.
It's the same thing, but you hating on your own race because
Period,
you're discriminating against the dark skin. Because I'm a dark skin. I don't think I'm ugly. I think I'm
No, you're not
easy
good.
on
You
the
chocolate
eye.
drop.
You know what I mean? I think you're
Chocolate
easy on the
drop.
eye. You know what I'm
Chocolate
saying?
drop.
But see, but niggas, but you put that out there because
Right.
I've seen a lot of ugly light skinned girls.
Oh, girl, me and ugly
But
light-skinned
they
niggas,
put it out
okay,
there,
yeah. Mhm.
you know, yellow bone, red bone, this,
That don't
this,
make you
this,
cute.
this, but it don't make you
It sure
cute.
But here's the thing.
But
what I
then you're
think- but here's
discriminating
what I
against your
think.
people. Let me say something.
It's not
got the
husband,
nerve to
bitch.
sit up there and talk about
You're
he
not gonna
wants.
talk about my
He's
husband.
got a nice body, but
He
that's
is
about
fine,
it.
okay,
But
pause,
you gonna
he's
sit up there.
fine. Okay.
That's fine. You can sit up there and talk about you want an exotic girl. You don't date black girls, but motherfucker, what's
okay.
exotic about you?
Ooh.
You're not exotic.
So here's my problem.
he's not.
And this is what a lot
See,
of
I
people.
don't
And I
like
think
that.
I
That
think
just turned me
because our community as a whole has such an issue with forms of black hate that we become sensitive to things that are not necessarily hate. A person can cast their opinion and have their preference on who they date and what they date
They sure
and
can.
who they want to date
They sure can.
without saying anything derogatory about the race.
Right.
But because we're
Right.
so used to
That's
but
the
because
point.
but because we as black women
Right.
are so used to hearing it along with something negative about black women, a lot of black men can't even voice their opinion of what they prefer because somebody's gonna take it, add to it, and make it offensive and make it hate when it's not. That happens a lot too.
That
Y'all gotta
does.
be real.
That does.
Just like for a perfect
True.
example is Chris Brown made that song where he was talking about the light skinned women or whatever. He didn't say nothing bad about dark skinned women.
Nope.
He didn't say anything bad about dark skinned women. But because our community perpetuates that hate so much in colorism, everybody took it there and he was ostracized for really
And
just
I
making
agree
a hit.
about that. But what
Well,
he
maybe
did
So we
say,
have to not be so sensitive.
I agree.
Okay, but-
I agree to that. But let me
but-
can I say something really
Go
quick and I'm gonna let you
ahead.
go
Yeah,
right
yes,
now. I
ma'am.
promise. He also said something that he only like a dark skinned girl that got good hair.
Okay.
That
see.
to me that's just like okay.
But that to
But
me,
that
that's
is
his
your-
opinion
that is
and
his
that's
preference.
okay.
That's
That's
his
his
okay.
preference.
that is his
But
preference. But
I feel
go
like
ahead.
I'm sorry, love. I
Go
feel
ahead.
like people had a issue with that because collectively as a group we've been bashed and discriminated against, and everything has been made so superficial for so long. That's why it's looked at as negative. You get what I'm saying? Especially when we still have colorism within the race. For you to say that even though it's not offensive to darker skinned women, that can make somebody feel a certain type of way just because throughout history they have been looked down upon.
Like it don't
You see
bother
what
me
I'm
by
saying?
no means,
So
but
you
I'm just saying
be
like I
mindful.
know it
That's
bothers
all
a
I'm
lot of
saying.
other.
Right, I agree, and I
But
feel
here's
like
the thing,
that
but
don't
we're-
make you cute because you light skinned or anything, because I like them chocolate myself. But
Yeah,
I like
but
them
Becky,
all
shades
so
of
Becky,
black.
just like what you said, without even knowing it, even though you are supporting and speaking on behalf of women, like what you just said, you generalized it and made it a statement for all women yourself, and I don't feel like that.
But
you see
that's
what I'm
you-
saying?
but I said
So
collectively
even if
as a
whether you're
group.
saying but I'm saying it's just as easy to do it when you're saying something
Right,
positive
or negative.
as to say
True.
something negative and assume that people have the same opinion. I don't feel like that. I don't care what happened in anybody's past. I've been judged enough and been through enough to not marginalize.
Okay,
And
but
not
everybody
say,
is not
okay.
as smart as you or has that
But
mind
some
power or
are though.
self-esteem.
But some are. So
to
let me make my
overcome
point
that.
though. Make my point though. I can be just as offended by you assuming that I could have a problem
That's
with Chris
true.
Brown making that statement because of people who feel bad when they hear that. Just like on the opposite end, where you can be like me and say I don't have a problem with that at all, or none of us women have a problem with that at all. Now you're offended because you might. So
No.
it goes both ways.
But
so
I'm
my
not-
point is, it's never okay. It's
No,
never
just
okay.
be mindful. That's all I'm saying. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. And I feel like people should be mindful. And okay, nobody's ever gonna agree 110%. So be able to accept the criticism. If you say
I don't
it,
have
own
to be
it.
mindful. If I say I want a
We're
6'1"
talking
tall
about
chocolate
Chris
man
Brown.
from Nigeria, I
That's
don't
your
have to be
preference.
mindful.
I get that. That is your
but
preference,
if you
and there's
notice
nothing
though,
wrong with
but
that.
if you notice that
There's
with
nothing
women,
wrong
it's a
with
double
that.
standard with hate.
Right.
Because if I was a woman and I say that, nobody's gonna ostracize me.
Facts.
They're gonna be like, "Oh yes, girl, me too."
No, there's
Woo,
nothing
woo,
wrong-
woo,
there's
woo.
nothing wrong with
But
a
let
man
me be a
saying
man.
either.
Let
No,
me be a man.
no.
No, she just proved my point. She just proved my point. Let me be a man and say, "Shit, I want me a 6 foot red bone with curly hair." Now, oh hell no, he ain't shit. Woo, woo, woo. So that's what I'm saying. It's a double standard.
But I
so when
feel
we
like-
when we talk about hate, we have to really talk about what hate really
But
is and
that
stop
has to go
defining
back
it in ways that
from
it's not.
slavery times when it was house niggas and field niggas. That's where that comes
So
from.
okay, maybe not the
That's why
colorism
people
thing,
feel like
but I do
that.
think it's a black hate when you sit up there and say I never did a black woman because a black woman is this,
Yeah, I don't
this,
like
this,
that.
this,
Don't
this.
say that.
I
please.
believe that
'Cause
is
these
black.
white
But
bitches-
how many men say I'll never
Because-
date black women because the black women I dealt with were this, and they still get ostracized.
No,
There's
that's
no
not-
winning.
I don't think that's
There's no
right.
winning.
I don't think that's right.
But they shouldn't
I
get
don't
ostracized
think
for
that's
that.
right.
If
I
I
don't think
say
that's
if
right
I say
because
I
you're
don't date
putting a
Mexican,
name
listen, if
all
I don't
over
say
us by
if I-
saying that.
if I don't say I don't date light skinned men because all the light skinned men I dated did this, and that, and the other, that's my right to say that. I'm not saying every light skinned man in the world. I'm saying the light skinned men I dated did that, so I don't want to take that chance anymore. And I feel the same way when men say it. He dealt with this many black women. They did this, that, and the other. He dealt with enough to be able to say he doesn't want to take that chance anymore, and that's okay. To me, that's not a classification of self-hate. That's not one to go through the same bullshit because he's finding a common denominator in the same kind of woman for whatever reason. And if he thinks it's associated with the black women in his area, in his geographics, in his neighborhood, whatever the case may be, he has that right. That's his opinion.
Yeah, he does have that right.
That's what I'm saying.
He does have that right, but I still think that's a little. I don't think you should put that all on one label of people.
Yeah,
that's just my.
It doesn't bother me as long as you say the women you've dated and not all black women. It doesn't bother me.
Well, that's
my problem is
because I know somebody
be specific and say the women that I dealt with.
The women do it to the men too. The black women do it to the
men
men too.
And
about them
really
being broke and this and that.
And what do women say? Girl, I feel you, girl. These niggas ain't shit. Like,
I don't agree with that. That's what I'm saying. I don't agree with that.
Right.
Because you're putting that out and making it seem like all niggas ain't shit, but there are some good niggas that's out there.
Right.
But girls say that all the time. Now I'm finna find me a white man because the niggas ain't shit. You know, they can't keep a job. They doing this. I'm tired of this. But every man ain't like that.
Right. No, the niggas you deal with can't keep a job, bitch.
Who you talking to?
No, but
you
always piggybacking off your
right.
Okay.
Right. That part.
When they get to drinking and smoking,
we got an internal beef here. Let's watch.
We really don't.
Let's watch.
But for real, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like we put a label on ourselves that should not be put out there into the universe. I agree. Like that.
Right. That energy should not be put out there. I definitely agree. So yeah.
I feel like if we all love ourselves and get to know who we are and get to know ourselves first, we'll put value on life, and that is what we have to do to stop self-hate. That's what we have to do to stop black hate, because it starts within. If I look at you as my sisters, my brothers, and my sisters, then I'm all automatically, I don't even have to know you to place value on your life. And until we get to that point to where we don't have to know a person to place value on their life, then we're always going to have black hate. It's never going to go away. And we can't be blaming other people for our behavior either. And that's a lot of that. That whole blame game, that triggers black hate too.
Yeah.
And it's never
so
going to go
deep.
away.
It goes so deep. We could talk about this for days because this is something.
Women, like, we're all good friends and we've been friends for a long time, but we don't really have a lot of other female friends that we can all hang out with.
Not consistently.
And most people that you talk to be like, I don't have a lot of girlfriends, you know. I don't hang with a lot of friends because this. But then you go out, you're like, it's just something about her I just don't like about her. And you don't. What don't you like about her? Like
something about your intuition and vibe.
Hopefully, it's the energy and not they look. Because
but then you start talking to him and get to know him, and you had a whole different.
Right. Well, that's about changing our mindsets. We have to think positive first. We go into everything on the defense, and that is the negativity because it's almost like you don't like, and that's deals with me with self-hate. I don't have self-hate, but I'm just speaking in general.
Okay, well, I must have a lot of self-hate because I've been angry a lot. I pop off and all that, and I'm working through that. But okay, you possibly are right. You know,
because I'm gonna tell you this: if I walk into a club and I say, "Oh, it's something about her I don't like," I have an insecurity within myself to where I feel like maybe a little bit, maybe she might not like me, so I'm gonna beat her to the punch. I'm gonna already create a situation or some type of division.
I hear it all the time.
You do it without saying it though. You create a division.
Yeah, maybe my look.
You create the division first, and then if that girl is nice to you, then you're like, oh, I was tripping, she was nice. But why does it have to go in that order? Why can't you already be cool? I believe you trust and you get along with people until they give you a reason not to.
Okay,
so we have to start working on that.
I'm nice. I won't trust you. I'm nice. I'm friendly. I don't start shit with nobody. But to trust, you have to earn that. That's just not coming. But I'm not hostile. I'm not gonna be like, oh, bitch. No, I'm cool, calm and collective. Unless you provoke me or
because my family, we all
but I feel like
we loving people. We give everybody hugs. We hi, how you doing?
Really
but you don't get that. Like if you go down south, you go back home. That's how it is. You drive down the street, everybody.
That's true.
And
California is not like
out
that.
here. You're not getting that fucking shit, nigga. You drive down the street, you look at a nigga too long, nigga. And then it's a whole nother ordeal. Like, for what? You can't even look at your brother for too long.
And because we're so used to
without
that.
even being some shit.
Right, and because we're so used to that, even when that's not going to happen, your defense is back up because you're preparing for it to happen. So you go into it with that mentality like, okay, he about to bang on me. He not going to say hi back. He not going to say what's up. Even then, that causes a lot of, it rolls over into road rage. Yeah. Somebody will cut you off, and you'll assume that they're not going to apologize, and you roll up on the side, and they're like, sorry, my bad.
You're like, oh,
and you done got all flustered, and your head hurt, and you mad, and they over here waiting for you to get to the side so they can apologize.
Can say,
So we have to change our mindset to always think positive. always go into everything thinking positive.
Okay,
No
Dr.
negativity and no complaints.
Well, Dr.
That's how I
Skipper.
feel about it. That's how I feel.
Okay, Dr. Skipper, well, how do you suggest we go about doing that so the transition could be smooth and easy?
We have to love ourselves.
Okay.
When we catch ourselves feeling that type of way, we have to love ourselves enough to correct ourselves. Because
Yeah.
it's not always a deep-rooted issue where you depressed or you.
Right.
It's not always
No,
like that.
because I'm
Sometimes it's
guilty
that
of it.
simple.
I'm guilty
But
of it,
sometimes
like,
it's that
but some-
simple having a bad day.
No, but like I could be driving, I could be
wait.
walking, like it's happening to me. I'm walking inside
Okay,
the store
I'll
at
be
Food for
back,
Less,
Mm-hmm.
and a girl's riding past, and she looking like, bitch, what the fuck? What is she staring at? And you are automatically get like,
See, but why?
just-
But we have to figure out why are we so easily triggered by
that's
stuff
what I'm
that doesn't
saying.
matter.
It doesn't even matter.
doesn't even
So
matter.
This is what I'm saying.
You just have to
But
check
the white
yourself.
people don't
Instead
do that. The white people are not like that. That's what
Nah,
I mean.
shit,
Hold
they
on,
are.
I
Yes,
mean-
they are. Wait,
Hold on,
wait, Okay, well let's talk about it.
Wait,
then.
wait.
Let's
Yes,
talk
they
about
are.
it.
They're like that, but they
I'm
do it in
talking about
private.
amongst each other.
Oh, they're like
Yes,
that.
they
amongst
are.
each- Okay, my
They
Okay,
can't
so-
stand
hold
each
on.
other. They
Oh
the
no,
same
I'm talking
way.
about driving by outside. You're walking past and you're just like, you know, white girls ain't look. Bitch, what you looking at?
Yes, they do.
Oh, they do.
Okay,
I ain't never
White
seen it.
people.
I ain't
turn
never
their nose
seen
up.
it.
We
Don't
can't
let-
say
I ain't
names, so
never
I
seen
can't even
it.
talk. and say what I want
Don't
to
be
say,
in
so
a
let me be
predominantly
quiet.
white
I don't
neighborhood.
live
They
in a
all look
predominantly
at you
white
like you're not
neighborhood,
supposed
so
to
I
be
can't
there.
say
So
it.
that's a whole nother day for a whole nother show because
Mm.
that's way deep.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
white
We gonna
people
talk
do
about
that,
because
especially.
child, they
Let
got
me
me
tell you,
sweating.
I was just in Jamaica and there was white people at the resort
Mm.
looking at black people at the resort sideways
Oh,
like they
no.
wasn't
oh
supposed to be there.
no,
No,
they
And
you're
do,
not
girl.
supposed to
So
be
that's
there,
what I'm saying.
like-
So white people do that. We'll talk about that
To
on
the
another
black
show.
people, I said that, but
Yeah.
I'm saying the
Talking
white
about
on
white
white.
people within the
They
white
do it to
community.
each other.
Okay,
Yeah, they do it
that's
to
what I
each
was talking
other.
about. White on white. Oh, I'm sorry, I just burped.
White and white do it too, and that's the thing. We have to break that stigma too. White people treat each other like shit too. White people
No,
treat
they
each
do.
other
They
bad.
on a whole
White
nother
people
type
hate
of-
each other
They do.
for
They
their
don't-
lips being too plump
They
and all
don't
kind of
care.
other weird
They
stuff.
hate each other for
But-
dating black men and having black babies. and
Yeah,
mixed
or
kids.
not dating
Yeah,
black
you
men.
know,
So that's a
it's-
whole nother show for a whole nother day. And I'm not about to waste my energy on that when we're talking about repairing black and
community.
adding black love
That
to
needs
our
to be the
community.
focus.
I'm not even going to allow myself to be
Moving on.
distracted by such treachery.
Okay.
So, do you
Moving
guys
on.
have anything that you guys would like to discuss as
Oh.
far as that you feel that we could do better in the black community?
I just think that we need to do an accountability piece. I think
Okay,
that we
that
need
is-
to
that's good.
take responsibility for our own actions.
That's true.
And we have to, as especially black women, we have to stop trying to pay. It's almost like a tit for tat. Like if a black man tries to confront or have a conversation trying to figure out what the root cause of the beef is and goes to a black woman and says, why do you always get mad every time I ask you something? We as black women have to just respond to the question. We always want to come at it with a question. Like, why you always get mad? Well, why you always walking out when whoop? Like it's always like
Well,
a
what's wrong
battle.
with that?
So we have to stop looking at everything as a battle and a competition
Everything, I have
and
totally
really
agree.
answer the question
Why
and have
would you
that
have to say black women
conversation.
look at it as
No,
a
because
battle?
Because
she's
we're talking
right.
about the black
She's
community.
right though,
Black
because
men
in
look
black,
at it as
and
a
that's how
battle,
that's
too.
how black.
You see
but
that?
this is how- this is how-
Let me
I'm
say this,
proving the
Ashley.
point.
Okay,
She
let's
just
prove the
did
point.
it. She
Yep,
just
yep,
did
now
it,
you
guys.
prove the point.
Do we need to rewind it?
Okay,
when
you
we
can have
publish
that.
this, we're gonna do this slow motion
Slow
because she
motion.
just did exactly
I said,
what
why
I
do you have
said.
to
Everything
say black
don't have
women?
to be an argument as
No, it
far
don't, but I'm
as
just
in the
saying.
household.
Because, you know, I have my issues with the black men that I have kids with. You know what I'm saying? I'm just speaking for them. And everything is a battle. It's like they want to behave one way, but then, you know, they want you to act a certain way. No, it's like, I'm not going to move like
But
that.
see, you're
period.
proving my point because I was saying we were talking about how to fix the problem and
Well, I
bring
didn't know
love
what
back
the
to the
point
community.
was.
You should have. That's you know, and you know why she doesn't know what the point is because
I'm
black
hot.
women
I'm
are
hot,
no.
okay?
She
Yeah.
doesn't know what the point is because black women are always waiting to think of a response and a rebuttal. They always are thinking about a comeback
Oh.
instead of listening to the question. They are
So now
not
she's
all
trying to
black
say,
women,
I'm dumb
but a
and
lot
I'm
of black
remedial.
women.
Okay.
No, I didn't say
No,
you were
because
dumb or
I wouldn't
remedial. I
justify-
said you're always
I'm
looking
playing.
for.
I'm
You always
playing.
are ready for a comeback. So instead of me just asking you the question, you saying, you know what? I don't think I answered the question because I think I might be
already
still angry
clarified
from
that I'm
earlier today
hostile. I
or
already
still
said that,
frustrated.
so-
Instead of saying that is why black women got to always like
I
it's
didn't
always a
like how
battle.
you said it.
And then
Yeah,
that's
you know,
and
just-
that's why it's hard for many
Well,
black men to talk to black
it
women
probably was.
because
That-
that's what they get.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. That's why I'm single and I'm happy. I just didn't like how it sounded. It just sounded
But
a
I
little
was
too
together with
hard.
my ex-husband like that. You know
It
what I
just
mean?
sounded-
We would just boom.
Everything
boom,
was a battle.
Boom, 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 boom. It's just like everything was a battle.
I just feel like it goes
you
deeper
can't.
than
It's
it goes
not going to
back
work like
to-
that. But that is a whole other topic too.
That's
because
well,
deeper.
that's more. We're gonna talk about that as another topic.
But
as
she's
far
right.
as
It
far as
does go
marriages.
deeper
It
as
does
far
go
as I'm
deeper.
concerned
Yeah, it
because
does.
black women and black women, I mean black men and black women have been torn apart since the beginning of time.
Right.
Families
Because I
broken
was
up.
waiting
We've
on you
been
to
beat
say
up.
that,
We've been
girl.
disrespected.
Baby girl.
In front of our families, around our families, raped and everything else. So it is
Ooh.
very deep rooted. However, even slaves
Mhm.
kept their families together and always respected their men
No,
and
they
their
tried
women
to
even
keep it
through that.
together. They tried
Even through that. They
to
tried
keep
to
it
keep
toge-
their
yeah.
history. They tried to hold on to their culture and everything else. So we can't say that all of our ancestors were broken by that, or else we wouldn't know what it used to be to
I'm
be
gonna
us
say
today.
most. We're gonna say 80%.
Nah,
I'm
don't put a
okay with
percentage
saying
on
most
that.
because
Don't put a
slavery,
percentage on
like
that.
they had to break you to be a fucking slave. Like I don't even want to get into that because that just gets me. I'm already hot, bitch, and I don't want to start sweating. Okay.
That's
But,
why I'm.
you get what I'm
blessed
saying?
that I come from a good family
I
because
feel
my
like
grandmother she taught so much love. We are so close.
Right,
and
but
we
see,
are
that's
just
few and
such-
far in between, though.
I know,
you get what
it's
I'm
very-
saying? That's
it's
not
very-
common.
it's-
So
and I
I'm saying
know.
as a whole, like there
I
has to
know.
be healing, and it
I
goes
think,
deeper
well,
than that.
I
That's
have
all.
to disagree. I
See?
definitely believe that love is there. I definitely
I
believe.
didn't say it wasn't. I said it was deeper, and it, it needs to evolve.
But
some
everybody
healing.
don't know how to show it
Right,
the way that
right.
my grandmother
I
taught
definitely,
us
that's my
to
point.
show it.
Because
And
that's
that's
So
what
the
I'm
love
saying.
is there. We
As
just
a
But a
don't
lot
know
of
how
people
to
don't know how to
portray it. We don't
express
how to love. We
it.
don't know how to love correctly.
Mhm.
Because
That's
it
the
shows a
problem.
sign of weakness, and coming from the black community, you can't show weakness because then everybody's gonna fucking go in on you. You know, you have to be strong. You can't show, oh, I'm sensitive, oh, I'm emotional, because people don't take that in the right way. You know, people take advantage of that. That's a vulnerability. That's why I'm saying it goes deeper. You know, it's layers.
So how
like
does
an
that
onion.
play in the hate?
I mean, it plays so much into it because it's easier. Just think, it's easier to hate somebody because then you don't have to deal with them than to love them, because then you have to learn that person and really dig in and deal with that. You get what I'm saying? That takes a lot of energy.
I think
You
that
know?
loving is easy though. I
I
think that
think
it's
it
easier to
is,
love
too,
somebody
but if you
than
don't know
create
how
a
to
reason
love-
to hate.
But if you don't know
But-
how to
but
love, then
people
you have to
display
learn that.
Totally the
Different.
opposite way.
That's true. Everybody has
They
different
display
love
it the
languages.
total
That's true.
opposite way. It's easier to show somebody, I think, hate than it is to show love to
Right,
people.
because people, if it would,
I
if it's
think
simple, treat others the way you want to be treated. People don't do that.
No.
It's literally that simple.
And that's
but
that's as a whole universe.
That's what I'm
That's
saying,
as
as a-
whole
So
just
let's
universe.
go
people in
back then.
general.
So let's go back to the question that you asked a little while ago.
What was that?
How do we change that?
Right. How do we change
We
that?
already know what the problem is.
Can
right?
we
How
have
do
a
we
doctor,
change
you know,
it?
somebody in the black community, a
Number
psychologist,
one,
a therapist, because that is a multi-million-dollar question.
the
Obviously,
first
it
thing
is.
is the
It
young
starts in the home, I feel like.
and the young people, they really got to start to have a conscience, because they are really killing people for no reason. Like where I live in Moreno Valley, and people get killed all the time there.
Child.
People are getting killed
And I think
there.
it starts with us.
And just imagine all the big cities. I'm in a little desert city, you know what I mean? Look at all the big cities where people are getting killed, like,
Right.
you know, Fresno and our Oakland I'm in, and
Sacramento,
Chicago,
something like
and
that, yeah.
you know what I mean? Where they're like getting shot, like Chirac. They got more people getting killed in Chicago than they did in the fucking Iraq
Oh,
war.
wow.
That's
Right, and that's
You
just
know what I
sad.
mean?
That
That's
is so
sad.
heartbreaking. It
For
is.
nothing.
So
For
if,
nothing.
so
I
if I
watched
was to be asked the question of what we have to do to fix it, where does it start? I think it starts with us. I think it starts with us just simply being nice.
Us as far
Even
as,
if
like,
we don't
specifically,
know
like, the
how to
family.
love, no, I think it starts with all of us. All of you guys out there, all of us in here. Even if it starts to just saying hello when we're walking down the
Right,
street, seeing a
right.
young teen, asking him how he's doing,
Mhm.
just showing that love. I hope you have a good day. Whether they
Right.
give it back to you or not, still
Yeah.
greet them
Just
with a
do it.
smile.
Put the
Because we're
foundation
teaching
do
them
it.
how to love.
Right.
Because at the end of the day,
Right.
it's gonna make them feel good.
Right.
First, we as people, we've been disrespected so much, we have to get past of where we're feeling like, what they about to do? What is this
Right.
about? Why they being so
Because
nice?
hurt people
Right.
hurt
And once you continue to do it and you repeat that behavior and it becomes part of your
Natural.
everyday life, they'll start receiving it and they'll start opening it up and they'll know that that's what love feels like. Like it has to start with something as simple as that, which is like respect.
Right. Like where
It
you
has
guys
to start
taught
with
as
that, and
kids
that's
to-
we don't need a therapist or a psychologist to know that.
You know what? I
Well,
didn't
let
say to
me
know
ask
that,
you
but
guys
they got
this.
techniques and tools, and they are educated
But what I'm
in
saying
that
is, if
area,
you
so
don't have
I
the
would
money
like
to
be
go
able-
talk to somebody,
maybe
just say
Dr.
hi.
Sweet-
Right,
Never
that's
say
all
hi
you
to
gotta do.
people.
That could bring
okay.
up somebody's day just by saying
I
how you
wasn't
doing.
saying it like that.
You know,
I was just saying, you know, can they chime in the comments? I wasn't like, oh my God, we so
No,
stupid.
I don't feel like you
No.
were saying it like.
Okay.
See how offensive you get,
I
and
mean,
this is
I
how you know.
already put that out
This
there.
is when
It's
when
nothing
you
personal.
are. This is like the
On myself.
epitome of a
Oh,
scorned
God.
woman.
This has to be-
This is the epitome. Hold on, teaching
Wait a
moment.
minute, wait a
Teaching moment. Teaching
But I
moment.
want to ask you
This
guys.
is
I'm
the
just, hold on, I'm
epitome
a
of a
passionate
scorned
person, and that's
woman.
all. It just comes with a lot of emotion.
We have to learn to replace a negative thought with a positive
I'm
thought.
done. I'm hot now. I need a break.
Now, did y'all parents teach y'all when y'all go into somebody's house or y'all walk into a room and it's other people, you speak first, right?
Absolutely.
But
Like,
people
who
ain't
don't
doing that.
You know what?
And we can start with that
You
too.
know what
That's why
I
don't
mean?
like
When you
people.
guys
You guys
walk,
walk in,
we can start with a few
start-
challenges.
yeah.
Start speaking when you guys walk into somebody's
I'll
house.
do that.
Start
Or even
saying
into
hello.
a gathering.
We are talking
Not
to
even
everybody.
Yeah,
outside,
I
Becky.
would- okay.
Okay, can I?
Right.
Excuse me.
Y'all
I
gonna
have a
stop using me as the
disclaimer.
example.
Disclaimer.
No, y'all gonna stop.
Becky, disclaimer.
We gonna get
Becky,
kicked out
this
this
is not about you. This
I'm
is
not-
we are
okay, I
speaking
know, I
in
just- I
general.
feel personally
These are
attacked.
general statements. These are not
Well,
directed
thank you for
towards Becky.
clarifying. Okay.
Okay.
Well.
So, did you have any suggestions that we can do, Rebecca?
Oh. I
Go on
mean,
and speak to the people.
No, I'm just saying, I agree, you know, just common courtesy. You know, treat people the way you want to be treated. I keep saying that, and I know it sounds dumb, but it's that simple. You know, if something would offend you, don't do that to somebody else. Because then, it's going to offend them too. And then how are you going to be surprised when they get hostile with you? Because if it happened to you, you wouldn't like it either. So
And we got to support
Stay
more
simple.
black businesses.
Yes,
Let's
period.
support our black people that's out
Yes.
there
And
doing their
stop
thing.
knocking and giving bad
Hustling.
reviews.
But
for
here's the
black
thing too,
businesses.
but black
and be
businesses,
like, oh, they get on
black
my
businesses, if you guys want support, you guys got to treat the customers right,
Right.
as well. Let's
don't
sell
have
good
that
products,
shit.
products that are worth the money that people are paying for. Why are y'all products more? Because listen,
Mm-mm,
no,
we can't,
hold
we don't
on.
get them for the same
Listen,
price.
hold
though.
on, wait a
Let's
minute.
be real. We don't get them for the
let's
same
talk,
price.
that's true, but let's go here.
Just saying,
Let's go
I'm
here. Let's talk
saying.
about the weed men.
Let's talk about
Let's
Oh.
talk about the weed men. Okay.
No.
You could go, I mean, all the weed men, they prices is way higher. You could go get some weed from the Mexican, and it's going to be a lot cheaper.
Okay, don't
You know
use
what I
It's gonna
mean?
be a
them.
lot drier
Okay,
and
that's
a lot
not a
dirtier
fair
and a lot-
people to use because the Mexicans is
A white
That's
person.
not a good.
A white
That's,
person
because
too.
that's not a good analogy, y'all.
They get
Just
half
strike
price.
that
It's
from the
not.
Yes, it is.
No,
Yes,
because
it
they
is.
getting it
Court
half price. 'cause
reporter,
they all
would you
speak
please
Spanish.
strike that
No.
from the record? That was
Please,
not a
thank you,
good
girl,
analogy.
bye.
That was
Y'all
not a good
don't
analogy.
because they
So-
got
But let's
Pablo
have
on
good
them
products
to get
though.
the
Let's have
hookup.
good products though, for real.
I'm
I'm being funny,
gonna
but let's
say-
have good
I'm gonna
products
say
at
this.
these places, hair
My throat
places,
I need a cough drop.
all the places.
That's
you know?
true. I agree with that to a certain extent. I also do
I agree
know
with
though,
that.
many of us are way harder on black businesses and our own businesses
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
than we are
It's
on
terrible.
other businesses.
That's
And
the black on black
okay,
hate,
and hold on,
ma'am.
guys.
And
Everybody
don't
can't
ask for
give
no
you a
discount and
Everybody
deal.
can't
Right.
give-
Thank
give
you.
No discount.
Like, it ain't no homie
Sorry,
hookup,
that's
nigga. You
so
gonna pay the
sweet,
price.
too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because here's my problem. When you go
That's the
into
passion, I'm sorry.
establishment, not all, but some of us go into establishments of
Oh, wow.
the Caucasian persuasion, and we look at the price, we pick it up, we buy it with no problem,
Mm-hmm.
and it is these name brands, high fashion name brands, and you're spending $2,000 on the funniest pair of looking shoes that I've ever seen in my life.
Walkers and shit.
Yep.
But you'll have a
Yep.
up and coming black designer that has some shoes that are only $50 compared
And you
to the
wanna
$2,000
knock them
that you
down
just
to
paid,
30.
Right.
and you want them to be
Ooh, stop.
$22.95.
No, it's not
child,
happening.
We can't
that
do
is
that.
so
happening.
We can't do that. You want them to be $22.95, and then you want to get them later.
Let's
Like,
support our,
let's be
support
real.
our
If it's
young
your
hustlers
friend,
so they can,
oh, why don't you give them to me?
Right.
I'll get you when I get.
Right.
No.
right.
Oh, you don't want me to rock your stuff? I'm supporting your business. You really not though, because it takes money to make money.
period.
So if you're not
Mm.
financially funding and supporting my business,
Then
then
you're not
who are you
supporting
really
it.
help me?
Right.
Right.
I love the shout outs and all of that. I love that too. That's support too.
Right.
But if it comes with you expecting something in return for
Mhm.
free, then don't do it.
Then don't
because
do
you're
it.
rocking Jordans, you're rocking Prada, you're rocking all these other brands
Yep. They don't
without
like
asking
black
for
people.
anything.
You never see a black
Versace.
model, so what are you
Right,
doing?
without I don't care if you rocking Hanes.
Yeah.
You hear me? You're doing all that without complaining, so show us the same respect as artists,
Period.
whatever our craft is. Whether it's art, whether it's shoes, whether it's
On
clothes,
that note,
whether it's makeup, whether it's hair, whether it's nothing. And on that note,
Right, because I'm hot. That
Let's
was-
go ahead and wrap it up. I appreciate y'all ladies as always. My two
hey,
besties.
Mouth So Reckless.
Okay, in that
Vote
order.
for your favorite, you know.
Vote, okay, hello. How your
That's
mama doing?
hilarious. How you
How
doing?
your daddy doing? How your children doing? Okay.
Okay.